Welcome, dear viewers! I'm so glad to have you here on your very own tutorial channel. Let's get started. As always, begin by opening the file you'll be working with, just like this. Go to the toolbar and select the Object Selection tool. Then, use it to highlight and select the area you want to work on. Once you've selected the target area, right-click on the selection and choose Feather. Apply a small feather radius to slightly soften the edges and give it a subtle blur effect. After applying the feather, press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected area onto a new layer. Now, select the dress layer and convert it to a smart object. Then go to the top menu, click on Filter, and under the Blur category, choose Gaussian Blur. Follow the process. And now, save the file using Save As. You might need it later to follow the process or make adjustments. Now, open your desired texture file and drag it over the white dress layer. Then, hover your mouse over the texture layer, hold down the Alt key, and click between the two layers to create a clipping mask. This will apply the texture directly onto the dress. Follow the process. Dear viewers and enthusiasts, please subscribe to the Shayan Creative Hub channel to learn more and embark on your journey to becoming a graphic designer and freelancer. With the right skills, you can create your own opportunities and build a successful income in the future. You can also apply your desired color to the outfit by pressing Ctrl+U simultaneously.